Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to recap a meeting with Copilot in Teams. First of all, you need to understand how to use the Copilot in the meeting. Copilot summarizes key discussion points including who spoke and what they said. It also suggests action items and answers any question you have in real time during or after a meeting. So this is something pretty cool. But how can we toggle it on? So first of all, you need to understand there's 2 points that you need to actually understand and know about. Transcription isn't required for turning on Copilot in a meeting. However, to prompt Copilot about the meeting or see Copilot's conversation history after a meeting, and make sure that you have turned on live transcription during the meeting. This is very important since this is the thing that's gonna be generating the transcripts of your meeting, and from it will generate the summary. So first of all, you need to start a live transcript. When you record a meeting, transcription starts automatically. So this is very important, is to start a live transcription only. You can literally just click on select more option by clicking on 3 dots in your meeting controls, then select record and transcribe and start transcriptions. So this is the first step that you need to do. So once you have done that and basically you are during the meeting, of course you can write prompts to Copilot so you can answer some question or for it to do something, etc. But after the meeting ends, the transcription is actually saved in a database, in temporary database of the meeting or the conversation that you had. So what you could do is to literally go to that conversation and start writing out prompts. So after the meeting, you can literally select Copilot in the meeting controls, and simply it will send you a prompt to start transcription, or simply just start writing the prompt that you want. So just start typing, summarize, or give me a recap of this meeting, and it should give it to you. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next comment video.